Warning, this DIY might make your house smell like a holiday coffee shop. Hi, I'm Katie from Simply Earth, and today I'm teaching you how to make a Mini Joy Reed Diffuser. It's a simple way to bring natural aroma into any small space, whether it's your bathroom, desk, or nightstand. No electricity, no flame, no synthetic fragrances. Instead of harsh chemicals you'll often find in store-bought air fresheners, this one uses pure essential oils to make your home smell amazing. To start with, we are going to add 2 teaspoons of fractionated coconut oil to our bottle. And then we're going to fill it up the rest of the way with Perfumer's alcohol. And now we simply add our essential oils. Winter Spice has a beautiful woodsy scent. Coffee adds a little bit of energy. Coffee is a little bit of a thicker oil, so it might take a moment or two for it to drop. And 2 drops of Mandarin. Mandarin has a citrusy, uplifting scent. And lastly, 1 drop of clove, which is the perfect seasonal note to add to this blend. Now I'm going to place our cute little wood cap on our bottle, reed or 2 from our earth and wood set, and then some of these cute decorative pieces from our reed bouquet. Got a couple other pieces that I will save for another diffuser. And make sure just to swirl to mix and incorporate the essential oils throughout your solution. Let your reed diffuser sit for a little bit and allow the essential oils and mixture to flow up the reed. And then once it's soaked for a little bit, you can flip these reeds around to help release the scent. You can also just use your reed bouquet set that comes in your recipe box if you're a subscriber, and you'll end up with a cute diffuser that looks more like this. That's it. Place your diffuser where you'd love a gentle, natural scent away from pets and kids. A quick tip, reed diffusers work through gentle, passive evaporation, not heat or mist. The scent builds slowly, which is generally safer around kids and pets. Just keep it in a well-ventilated spot and let pets leave the room if they like. Pretty cool, right? And if you want to make this Mini Joy Reed Diffuser yourself, it's super easy, especially with the Simply Earth recipe box. This box comes with a recipe and the key ingredients you need to make your adorable Mini Joy Reed Diffuser. And when you subscribe, we'll even throw in a big bonus box to kick off your DIY journey. Find this recipe and more at simplyearth.com. It smells like a cozy coffee shop right here in my home. When you make your own reed diffusers, take a picture and share it on social media with hashtag #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth. You could win a $100 gift card and get featured. If you want more fun, easy recipes just like this, like and follow this channel. See you in the next video.